Hi, good evening guys. So my very old sewing machine sa bahay ng mama ko. Alam niyo na, ito ay Singer sewing machine. I wanted to try this old sewing machine. So magagamit pa naman siya, pero hindi ko siya alam gamitin. So next time, magpapaturo tayo how to operate this very old, very antique sewing machine. So para naman wala lang, may ibang hobby tayo na hindi connected sa internet or connected sa electricity, so we can save some energy. Maging environmentally friendly naman tayo without using other source of energy. Kasi yung electric sewing machine ay ang aksaya sa kuryente. Ang mahal ng electricity natin ngayon. So we have to save electricity. So, para ang sayang ng pera natin. Work tayo ng work, bayad tayo ng bayad ng mahal na kuryente. So, I wanna try this. So, pag may free time ako, soon. Okay? Hindi siya, wala siyang instruction. There are some instructions online how to use this, but yeah, I wanna get a first-hand experience from my mother. Si